Day 3 of my silent journey. And who would have thought laundry day could turn into a 3-hour adventure? I had this funny idea to play a guessing game with my loyal supporters, just to add some excitement to the routine. And let me tell you, these amazing ladies stayed with me the entire time. Right from loading the washer to that last dryer beep. It might sound simple, but it became one of the most joyful, unforgettable moments in this journey. Thought words, every part of this game took a little extra effort.
Good morning to you too, yes. You read the mount, right? Perfect. Oh, very good. Welcome. Okay?
I'm over here trying to explain things through hand signals, gestures, and facial expressions, all while doing my best to entertain them, and they're watching, guessing, laughing, and really trying to understand me. I realized that this silence is challenging not just for me, but for them too, yet they're willing to stay right there, doing their best to communicate with me. I couldn't help but feel grateful and inspired by their effort. We played, we laughed, and yes, they lost the game in the end. But we had so much fun that winning didn't even matter. When I handed out a consolation prize, their smiles said everything. It was a small gesture, but it felt like giving back some of the joy they'd given me. I realized in that moment just how powerful simple happiness is, and how valuable these supporters are. They're here, day after day, showing me that it's not just about the big achievements. It's these small, shared moments that mean the most. As I keep this vow of silence, I'm reminded that actions sometimes speak louder than words. Today, we found a connection through laughter, gestures, and a shared experience. And to my loyal champs who stuck it out with me on laundry day, thank you, you made my day. And I hope I made yours too.